Our company has a mission to empower every K-12 school in America with greenhouses and garden programs by 2030. We started a nonprofit rooted to help us with this mission.
We can be growing different crops throughout the year at all times. They're going to be able to experience it for them in a macro because it's right there.
With the garden, you can incorporate all sorts of topics like math, science, social studies even. So all the subjects come together in the garden.
So the greenhouse is going to be a sustained education platform. It's going to teach the kids what it's like to create their own food. And you know as well as I do, if they eat a salad in their cafeteria that they grew, there's going to be a different experience around it.
We make salads with all of our produce, and we get to incorporate into the lunch program.
Harvesting is actually the most exciting thing, especially in our gardening class. That's when all the energy comes in. We actually just had some chips and salsa that we made, some of these plants that we made.
You're teaching them essential life skills that they'll use the rest of their lives, giving them a winning chance against disease and to help take control of their health and future.